Hi everyone, in this video we will cover how to automate a native app in your Android device. So right now I have connected my Android device. So you can see this is my mobile phone and I am using one app, that is mobile to PC screen mirroring, to cast my screen onto this web browser. So I have opened the Google Chrome and copied this web address here. So to do this, you need to install mobile to PC screen mirroring app from Play Store in your mobile phone, and then once you open it, you will get one option here, start mirroring. Once you click on the start mirroring, you need to copy this IP address and paste it in your Google Chrome or any web browser, and then you will be able to see your screen content casted on your web browser. So in this way you can cast your mobile screen to your PC. Now only precondition to this is your mobile phone and your laptop should be on the same Wi-Fi. After that, in this video we will need one more APK file to install on our mobile, that is APK info. So you need to download this app from the Play Store and install it. So in this video we will cover how to automate a native app, that is calculator. So it is built-in app and you will cover like how we can automate it. So by using this app, we can get some details like app package name and activity name. So to perform the automation on our native app, we will need these two properties like app package name and the activity name. So you can get the all your APK file details in this app. I will search for the calculator. Now I will click here. Now you can see this com.sec.android.app.popup calculator. So this is my app package name. And if I scroll down, you can see these activities here. I will click on activities and here you can see com.sec.android.app.popupcalculator.calculator. So this is my main activity and we have different activities listed here. Now to start the USB debugging on your mobile phone, you need to go to settings here, then software information. So for that you need to go to about phone, then go to software information, click around 5 to 7 times on build number to enable the developer options. So I have already enabled these developer options, and in the developer options you need to enable OEM unlocking. Enable this, then you need to enable USB debugging. So this is must, you need to enable the USB debugging and also you can enable the wireless debugging. Now I will connect my mobile phone with the USB cable. So here first time you will get one pop-up. So here you need to connect your mobile phone without giving the data permission. So I will click deny here and my mobile phone is connected with the USB cable to my laptop. Now for next steps, we need to open our APM server. Here we have host port M00000 and port number 4723, and this server is started. Now I will go to my command prompt here, open this and run command adb devices, and I can see my mobile phone is connected here in the list of devices. So my mobile phone is now ready to use. So now we will cover how to automate a calculator app. So in my mobile phone I have this calculator and we will see how we can connect to this app and perform the mathematical operations here. So for that, let's go to our Eclipse. Here I have written this code. So to automate our calculator app, we need to find some locators here. So in this example, we will see how we can perform the multiplication of two numbers and get the result. So for that, first we need to find out the some XPath of some elements. So here I will start the inspector session, and the same desired capabilities that I have here, I have also manually added that in my APM inspector. So you need to add some desired capabilities here. I have already created that desired capabilities and saved here. So this is that desired capabilities. So device name is this. This is the platform name, Android, and this is the platform version 11.0. Our automation name is UI Automator 2, and our app package name and app activity that we found using APK info app. So like this was our app package name, and this is our activity name. So that we have saved here in the desired capabilities. So you can write these desired capabilities here and you can save it and you can then start it. So now let me start it again. Started the inspector session, clicked on this save desired capabilities, selected the calculator. I have this device connected right now. Then I will start a session here, and to see the what's happening on my mobile phone, I will go here. For the first time you have to click yes, allow, and I will again go to APM desktop. So it is starting the calculator, and you can see the content, like you can see the my mobile screen here on the web browser because I have started it using mobile to PC app. So you can see this is casting my screen. So using APM inspector session right now, you can see we have these elements present here. So we have this calculator here. This is our actual device, and we have opened same in our inspector session. And now we want to perform the multiplication of two numbers. So right now I have found the XPath or the locators of two numbers. So here I have found the locators for the number 5, number 2, multiplication equals to sign, and the result. So what I am doing here now, I have found the I have located this 5 number. So for that you can select this option here. You can click here. Now I got this ID here. I copied this ID, go to search for element. Here select the locator strategy as ID, paste it here and click on search, and you can see it's matching with only one element. So we can use this ID in our automation scripts, as it is not matching with the multiple element, it is just matching with the one element. Similarly, you can go to this multiplication symbol and you can get the ID from here. So you can get the locator for all the web elements using this strategy. You can just inspect here, you can copy the ID, you can check if it is matching with that. We are able to find that element with this locator strategy. And what I am doing right now, I am using this, I am performing 5 into 2. So 5, I will show you like 5, then it will perform this multiplication 5 into, then it will do this 2, then we are clicking on this equal to sign, tap it, and then we are getting result here, and we are trying to capture this text in our automation script. So I will explain this code to you now. So we have created one class as calculator demo, and here we have found the locators for 5, multiplication icon, then 2 equals to, and the result. So here we have located all the elements that we will be using in our automation script. Then we have here mentioned or declared our WebDriver as public. Then we have certain method called setup, which will be executing before the actual test cases. So we are using the test_ng annotation at the rate before method here, and before the execution of this method will run and it will set the desired capabilities, and it will also set up our driver instance. So it will perform the actions like we are creating the object here, desired capabilities cap equal to new desired capabilities, and we are setting these same desired capabilities that we have here in our inspector session. So we will be using the same desired capabilities like device name, platform version, platform name, automation name, app package, and app activity. So we will set desired capabilities like mobile capability type dot device name. So this device name is pointing to this device name string. So similarly, we will have platform version, platform name, automation name here, and these two we have added using code like we will be setting the app package name as this and app activity name as this, and we will be using this URL. We can also give it as port and 0 here, and we will pass our desired capability here. So this method will do the setup work for this method, and in this method we are actually performing the operation. So here we have already located our elements and we have declared them as num1 num2 multiply equal to and result, and now in this code we will find out those elements, we will locate them and we will perform the operations there. So we are mostly performing the click operations. So we have this code like driver.find element num1.click, so it will click on the number 1 which was number 5. Then it will click on the multiplication icon, then it will click on the second number, that is 2, then it will click on the equals to button, then it will perform this action. So we are calling this get result method. We have created this get result method which will return the string. So here we are getting that actual result, whatever it will be, like 5 into 2, so this function will return 10 as a string, and we are capturing this string into this variable answer variable, and we are checking that if it is 10 is equal to 10 or not. If it is equal to 10, then we will print test case pass, else we will print test case failed, and after the execution of test case we will terminate our session. So this is the code for this, and we have imported these things. So as we are using the after method before method test, so we have imported these things, and as we are declared the exceptions here, and we have used this URL, we have imported these two things, and to work with the Android driver, mobile capabilities, desired capabilities, and this for this by we have imported this line. We have used this selenium.by class. So now we will try to execute this code. So right now your mobile phone should be in unlock state. So when you want to execute the automation script, just make sure that your mobile phone is not locked. Now I will go back to my Eclipse and run this as a test_ng. So right click here and run as test_ng. And now you want to see the execution on the mobile screen, so we'll go to web browser here and I will check. So you can see here it's performing 5 into 2 equals to 10 and our session is terminated. We'll go back to the console here and you can see the result here, like test case is passed So this message is printed here and we got the result, like our test case is also passed. So it printed this message and our test case is successfully passed. So in this way you can automate a native app. So for that we have just used our actual Android device. We have set that desired capabilities here. To find the app package and app activity, you just need to enable the USB debugging on your mobile phone inside the developer options, and using the APK info app you can find these values. What is my app package name and what is my app activity name. Similarly, you can automate the other functionalities, like you can send an SMS, you can make a call, you can set a reminder. So you can use those built-in app native apps in your Android device.